Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're gonna unbox the Casio G-Shock GMW-B5000TVA-1ER, aka the titanium virtual armor. Before we're gonna unbox this amazing watch, make sure to subscribe on the channel because we are gonna give away 5 Casio skeletons. Without any further ado, let's unbox this new watch. The watch was released in October 2021 in Japan. A few weeks later we also received it. The original retail price is 1,640 euros, but we received this watch later than other dealers. We raised the price up to 2,000 euros because it is sold out everywhere. In the box you will find a 3459 caliber buck, and there is also an international warranty card included. And this is a Casio G-Shock GMW-B5000TVA-1ER titanium virtual armor. A lightweight Casio G-Shock. The watch has a very retro look thanks to its square-shaped face, but also looks very cool and sleek because of the black color with some red details. The watch has a diameter of 49.3mm and is 13mm thick. On both sides you will read diamond-like carbon coating. Casio used titanium as a material that is treated with a diamond-like carbon coating. This watch is the only GMW-B5000 model that is made of titanium. The other models are all made of steel, except for this and the multicolor model. It is also equipped with a sapphire crystal clasp. On the clasp it says multi-band 6. This means the watch has a built-in antenna that receives standard time radio waves from 6 transmission stations worldwide. The watch has a few functions. First is a time adjustment with the date in the up right corner and the day of the week on the left up corner. Then you will have the world time function. Then you will have the alarm, the stopwatch function, and a timer. If you are interested in buying this watch, the link is in the description. Thank you guys so much for unboxing this watch with us. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe on our channel, because we are gonna give away 5 Casio skeletons when we hit the 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. My name is Jordan and I'll see you guys next time.